if you guys have a 94 to 2004 Mustang, an SN95 or the New Edge, then you might have a loose door pull like I do here on my 94 Mustang. And what commonly happens here is we just get, the way you kind of release this is there's a clip up here, and this clip, well, usually not this one, but the bottom clip down here usually cracks and breaks. So these need to get replaced. Now luckily you can find replacements pretty easily, and I got a replacement on Amazon. I think it was about 40 bucks. I'll put the link down below, but I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to go ahead and replace this, so stay tuned. So again, to get this bad boy out, you start here at the top, pull it this way, pull upwards, and that'll release this back clip, which you can see on mine is pretty clearly snapped right off. So once we get to this point, all we've got to do now is just get rid of the buttons and the mirror, which the mirror is just held on with a clip here. So just take a little screwdriver, pop that clip off, and then these are actually screwed on. So there's just two screws, two little gold colored screws. So go ahead and undo those, and this will release, and then boom, our part will be released. So let me go ahead and do that right now, and then I'll show you the new part that we got off Amazon. So once you get all the connector and this other thing out, you will have to just push in 3 little clips here on this bad boy. So there's kind of 1, 2 clips here. You just push those, and then I took my screwdriver to kind of push the bottom clip, and then that just goes right through the plastic, pops right out. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Here's the comparison. So this is our original OEM factory 28-year-old part, and versus the new one. It's pretty close. This is kind of a little bit of a darker black, or richer black, if you will. The finish, it's really close. So anyway, now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to see if I can pop this bad boy back in here. Let's see how easy that works. Let's see if we can get this thing back in here. Okay, there we go. Okay, boom. Right in its home. Well, cool, that was easy. So then we go ahead and we'll just clip back on our wiring and just stick this guy back in here. Pop in our 2 screws, and then we're gonna be ready to pop it back into place. All right, that's all she wrote. Now, we just got to get her back in place. So, again, we need our new undamaged clip to go in here kind of first. Let's get our wire in here. Oh, okay. So, we actually need to go ahead and extract the broken piece, which I didn't even notice was still in here. Actually, one good point is what I did on my passenger side. If you guys have this situation where this piece is still in here, broken, or if it fell under your door and you can somehow grab it, you could actually try to glue it back together. So that's actually what I did on my passenger door. And I probably would have tried it on this side if I would have known as well. But anyway, let's go ahead and extract this guy, and then we'll pop it back in. All right. Now we can proceed to drop her back in place. Let's get this first clip, get the wiring out of the way. Okay, there we go. So we're just going to kind of drop it down, pop it in. All right. Cool. So now we don't have any more, creaking, pulling, door pull anymore. So this is great. So, and the color looks really good. It actually looks like probably how it should look, where before it kind of looked a little bit discolored, just being 28 years old. I mean, can you believe it? A 94 Mustang is freaking 28 years old, almost 30 years old. So anyway, all in, all good. And locks still work. I mean, everything should still be working. We didn't replace that, right? So anyway, that's going to be it for this one, guys. Hopefully it helps you. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And stay tuned for some more cool stuff on this build that we're building for the Hot Rod Power Tour in 2023. Take care.